guys, so today I'm going to be trying out a rice cooker recipe. I saw this recommended video. It was a YouTube short, where this girl put rice and the chicken in the rice cooker at the same time. Obviously I have all the other ingredients and stuff, but because I eat white rice a lot, I wanted to try this out because then I could cook both at once. And apparently you can make other things in a rice cooker, but I don't know. We've only used this one just to make the rice. But yeah, it's not plugged in right now, but I already have my rice in here. I used this sushi short grain rice. You can also use medium grain, but I'm just using this because this is what I have, and it's already washed and everything. So let's see how that turns out. Set that aside as well. So I have my chicken in here. It's boneless. And I have all my seasonings and stuff. So in here I'm gonna mix all this together and then I'll put the chicken in and mix it. First I'm going to add in my soy sauce. And then I'll scoop in the oyster sauce. It's pretty thick consistency. There we go. And then my garlic. Ginger. It's just the same one I used in my teriyaki video. And I'm just using like a little bit of each. But you can just put it however you prefer tasting. And then this last ingredient is my pepper. And I'm just going to whisk this all together. Now I'm just going to pour this in with my chicken, like that. Kind of move it all around so it can be nice and soaked in the mix. And what's nice is then once I add my chicken to the rice, it'll add all this flavor to the rice, so it's like all being incorporated at once. Go. Now that my chicken is all seasoned, I'm going back to my rice cooker, and I have my chicken broth here. I'm just gonna pour it right on top. Mind you, I'm still doing all this while the rice cooker is off, but once I add in everything, then I'll turn it on. I'm just going to use this spatula and I'm going to scoop in the chicken and any remaining sauce left at the bottom of the bowl. Kind of spread it out a little bit. There we go. So now I plugged in my rice cooker to turn it on, and I put the lid on. Oops. And I put the lid on, and I'm going to change it to cook. And I'm not sure how long this will take. In the short that I saw, she used like a different type of rice cooker than this. But yeah, I guess I'll check back. I know the rice itself takes like 30 minutes to cook, so I can see then and then see how long it takes to cook, but it looks really good right now. So it's been exactly 30 minutes because on the cook setting, I mean, it just automatically does it, and it is done, fully finished. Here's what it looks like. You can see it's really nice and hot. And for me, well, first I'm just going to serve the little pieces of chicken on the side, and I'm going to do like a nice scoop of rice. But I actually, as you saw, pre-cut the chicken before I put it in. I mean, it cooked a lot faster this way, and in the actual recipe she just puts the whole chicken pieces in there, but I think it was much better this way, like that. I'll just put a little bit for now, and then kind of scoop the chicken off to the side so I can get a scoop of rice. It's really nice and steamy. You can see even all the way down here, got all the chicken seasoning in there. Let's see if I can get my scoop. Oh. That's good. we go. It's a little tiny, but it looks good. And now I'm going to taste it. First, I'm gonna taste the rice. Ooh, it's really hot. I might need to wait. The rice tastes pretty good. I mean, it just has all that seasoning and stuff, so of course it tastes pretty good. And then I'm gonna try the chicken. Look at this nice piece here. Looks nice and juicy. And I think that tastes pretty good. It's really nicely seasoned, and I actually usually always eat my chicken with rice. It's like the #1 way that I will enjoy eating chicken. So putting it all in the rice cooker actually worked out pretty good. So one day maybe I'll try some other kind of rice cooker recipes, and even though, you know, I didn't even have the exact rice cooker that the person had in the recipe, which the recipe of course will be linked below, it still, you know, worked out really good, and it only took 30 minutes, so I would definitely make this again as a pretty quick meal that is just all made in one pot. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.